Python integer incrementing with ++. I've always laughed to myself when I've looked back at my VB6 days and thought, what modern language doesn't allow incrementing with double plus signs? To my surprise, I can't find anything about this in the Python docs. Must I really subject myself to number equals number plus 1? Don't people use the plus plus notation?
Python doesn't support plus plus, but you can do.
Simply put, the ++ and operators don't exist in Python because they wouldn't be operators, they would have to be statements. All namespace modification in Python is a statement, for simplicity and consistency. That's one of the design decisions. And because integers are immutable, the only way to change a variable is by reassigning it. Fortunately, we have wonderful tools for the use cases of ++ and, in other languages, like enumerate and itertools.count.
You can do.
Yes. The ++ operator is not available in Python. Guido doesn't like these operators.